Welcome to Spellbinders 2022 September Embossing Folder of the Month kit. Here's a look at our September folder. This is a large size folder capable to emboss half a letter sheet of cardstock. We're going to emboss just a small panel to make the front of an A2 card. This is our partly cloudy cardstock. We are using our limited edition Platinum 6 die cutting and embossing machine in our new Universal Plates system. This folder gives a beautiful floral design. To add depth and interest, we're going to add white pigment ink onto the raised embossed areas of this panel. Use direct-to-paper technique and place your white pigment ink pad onto the panel. Do not press, but gently glide the ink pad over the panel to carefully transfer the ink. If you press too hard, you might end up having ink on the debossed, recessed areas of your panel. Slowly add more ink and work in layers. It's best to add less and add more later. See the difference? The white ink helps this pattern pop. Die cut hello using dies from our September 2022 small die of the month. We cut the hello from pop-up glitter die cutting sheets in white. We added double-sided adhesive to the back of the foam before cutting it. This way, we ended up with a sticky die cut. This makes it very easy to stick it onto the card. Add a foiled sub-sentiment. We foiled one in matte gold foil on our specialty glimmer cardstock. Embellish your card with flowers created using September 2022 Glimmer Hot Foil Kit of the Month. We foiled the flowers in matte gold foil on pink sand cardstock and added an opal gem in the center. Next, add the leaves created in the same way. We foiled them on rainforest cardstock. Add some berry branches cut from mirror gold and white cardstock. And finally, add that sentiment strip. Embellish with our opal gems and enjoy! You can find links to all the products featured in this video in the video description below. Thanks for joining Spellbinders Club Kids. Have fun creating!